Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the amazing handheld car vacuum cleaner. This 9,000 pascals vacuum cleaner not only sucks up all the dirt and debris from your car, home, office, or even your pet, but it also doubles as a powerful air duster with its rechargeable battery and fast charging capabilities. This vacuum cleaner is not only convenient but also environmentally friendly and energy efficient. It's the perfect replacement for compressed air canisters, saving you money and time. The 2-in-1 function allows you to easily blow away dirt and suck up stubborn debris, while the effortless maintenance and HEPA filter ensure efficient suction power without any blockage. The sleek and lightweight design, along with the LED lights, make cleaning in dark places a breeze. Plus, with its wide range of detachable brush head nozzle accessories, this vacuum cleaner is perfect for cleaning various scenes including keyboards, cameras, sofas, and more so. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your own handheld car vacuum cleaner today and make cleaning a whole lot easier. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing products and reviews. Thanks for watching.